Hello, Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramesh Vikram Sai. I am originally from Basgadi Municipality, Ward number 5, Bardia, Nepal. Currently, I am staying at Kuse Rural Municipality, Ward number 3, Betukhana, Jajarkot. I have been teaching at Janta Secondary School, Kuse 9, Paik, Jajarkot. My academic journey was begun from rural community school. I completed my SLC examination from Governmental School of Nepal. After that, I joined in Tribhuvan University and completed PCL, Bachelor's, Master's degree in education from there. Similarly, I completed double Master's degree in English language teaching from Kathmandu University, School of Education, Hatiband, Lalitpur. I have more than 7 to 9 years teaching experience in English language and other related subjects. Today's video is regarding to test specification grid of class 10 compulsory English course based on new curriculum. This specification grid incorporates with National Curriculum Framework and Secondary Level Education Curriculum 2078. Major curriculum policies and major curriculum strategies are combined in this specification grid, and here are mentioned some evaluation schemes, especially how to design the test items of SLC examination. National Examination Board Sanatimi Bhaktapur designs the question set focusing on these thematic contents. All the English teachers and students should pay the attention on this specification grid before beginning teaching and learning compulsory English course. Let's see this specification grid based on new curriculum. Here is the thematic contents and marking schemes. For final assessment, it covers 75 marks including reading and writing, and remaining 25 marks is for practical assessment and other terminal assessment. For reading, it covers 40 marks, and there are 4 thematic areas of teaching reading. According to this specification grid, there are 4 types of reading skills. They are from seen and unseen text. The textbook related texts are called seen text, and out of textbook related texts are called unseen text. Seen text covers 15 marks. There are 2 types of reading. One is 5 marks and another is 10 marks. Altogether, overall this is 15 marks. And other is unseen text. Unseen text covers 25 marks. One text covers 15 marks and another covers 10 marks. Overall reading texts cover 40 marks. For reading 1, it covers 5 marks and it is selected from any text of textbook. They are from any poem, any specific biography, and any short parts of any text, and it is selected for 5 marks and it covers at least 100 words. And another is reading text 2. Reading text 2 is also selected from textbook and it covers 10 marks, and it is from many text-based, text-related parts. Some are from biography, some are from story and daily news story, and many contemporary issues-based texts are in the textbook. They are asked from there. And other side, reading 3 and 4 are asked from out of textbook. They are selected from some biography, some journals, news stories, some websites, book. They are from different news stories, article, biography, books, journals, websites, daily papers, some advertisement, beads, expression of interest, and so many thematic areas. It is asked from there, and altogether reading text covers 40 marks. Overall, it covers 40 marks in reading. Now, the mentioning the lengths of all types of reading text. The length of reading text is 100 words. The length of reading text 2 is 200 words. The length of reading text 3 is 300 words. And the length of reading text 4 is 200 words. There are various test items in the reading text. Likewise, answer questions, true false items, filling the gaps, matching items, rearranging the correct orders of sentences, and other vocabulary based test items will be asked in the reading text 4. Dear English teachers and students, I am going to mention about the writing items on the test papers. There are 4 types of writing skills. Overall writing skills cover 35 marks. Number 1 writing skill is guided writing. This writing skill is regarding to analysis and interpretation of any chart, tables, diagrams, and interpretation and mention some instructions of any particular events, and some are from the preparing recipes and so on. This is from the number 1 writing skills, and this writing skills cover, and this writing skill cover 5 marks, and the student should write in about 100 words. And number 2 writing skill is regarding to also guided writing, and this writing skill emphasizes to write the short news stories, short description of any events and news articles. Similarly, message of condolences, invitation letters, thank you letters, and so on. For 5 marks, and the student must write in about 100 words. Number 3 writing skill is regarding to the free writing. This writing skill develops the students' writing skills in any particular individual letters and other letters to the head teachers and job application letters. This writing skill enables students to write some feelings, their opinion, their experiences, leave application, some job applications, and dialogue, so on. And number 4 writing skills is regarding to also free writing, and this writing skill develops learners all kinds of writing skills. Likewise, essay writing, application writing, that means job application writing, official letters, personal letters, individual letters, and email writing, biography writing, book review, and so on. Number 4 writing skill covers 8 marks, and the students must write in about 200 words. Similarly, number 3 writing skill 6 marks, and the candidates should write at least 150 words. So all our writing skills cover 35 marks. In terms of grammar learning, the specification grid distributes the 11 marks for grammar learning. Out of them, 6 marks for the reproducing the sentences from different grammatical categories. Likewise, an article, question tag, tense, relative pronouns, narration, voice, concord, positive verbs, etc. Similarly, 5 marks is for multiple choice questions from contextual text. The student should select the correct answer from the contextual text and write on their answer paper. Total marks of the final assessment is 75, including reading, writing, and grammar. Finally, I would like to request all the English teachers, students, and audiences to watch this video from beginning to last, and like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let's see upcoming teaching and learning videos of class 10 English course. These videos are helpful for SC preparation for 2082 and upcoming years. Thank you. Bye bye.